GetMyBabyMoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. Thank you for coming back. We have an interesting topic today, and the question came in this week. What happens when the parent dies? What happens to that child support? Well, first of all, it depends on which parent that passes. Can the child inherit from that parent? And the question is yes and maybe and no. If the mother passes and the mother did not leave a will and the mother did not have a husband or had a husband, is the child entitled to the assets of her estate? Yes. But what if the father passed? The first thing that has to be established is whether or not there was paternity established if the couple was not married. If paternity was not established, then it must be established before that child could inherit from the parent. So that's the long and short of it. If the parent actually had assets or an estate to leave something, then the child support could be gotten out of that estate. But if they didn't have anything, then unfortunately, there's nothing to be gotten. That was a good question. It's a sad one, but it does happen. There are times when parents pass and there is a child left. And it's interesting how much we don't understand the need to establish the relationship of the child to the parent before something like that happens, particularly with men. So I tell you what, it's a sad note, but we'll be right back after this sponsor.
Revenue collections piling up? Lacking the experienced manpower needed to complete jobs safely? Tired of experiencing risks due to low quality and inexperienced applicants? We can help end this cycle. The Success Center Recruitment and Consulting will benefit your company. We build real and transparent relationships between recruiter and hiring manager. Book a call today and begin the process of finding the right person to join your team.
Hi, welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. We're going to do some hot takes today. Man, there's some really interesting things on this internet. Let's listen to one man who said something that really makes sense. Listen.
That's your first reaction? You're not a true parent. Because I don't give two about the money. I know. I can have 90%, I don't give two shits. Because if you're not adult enough to ask man to man, woman to woman, man to woman, woman to man, I don't care. Whatever your relationship is. And you can't talk face to face and say, hey, I need some help with this. Hey, this is a little expensive. Can you help out with this? Hey, you gotta take care of this. Then you're not a parent. You're not a co-parent, you're not anything.
Whoa, let's stop right there. I don't see anything wrong with what he's saying. He's talking about co-parenting. He's talking about loosing the feelings, the pride, the I'm gonna get you, I don't like you. And he's talking about focusing on the child. Focusing on the child, getting rid of your feelings. If you can't do that, are you really a true parent? Let's listen a little bit more.
If the first thing you think about is money and custody,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't know I was going to say that. And we'll be back. Don't you miss another episode of Child Support Court, the Vodcast.